How to fix the issue where your PS5 is not showing full screen. So if you're seeing black edges around the PS5 screen, then I'm going to show you how we can adjust the display settings. Now, the first thing you need to do is just head over to the PlayStation home screen like this. Once you're on your home screen, scroll up to the top right hand side and go and click on settings. You can then scroll down the list of options and click on screen and video, and then scroll over to the right hand side. Now scroll down to resolution and make sure this is set to automatic. You can then scroll back over to the left hand side and scroll down to screen. You then need to click on adjust display area. So what this will do is it will allow you to adjust the screen size on your PlayStation, and you can see that all of the circles on the screen should be visible without showing black borders. So you'll need to go and adjust the screen until this is the case for you. So you can use the arrow keys upwards and downwards to either make the screen bigger or smaller, and once you've done that you can go and press OK. Now if that doesn't work, then what we can do is come back over to video output from the left hand side and scroll back up to resolution and click on this, and then what you need to do is change your resolution to 720p. Once your resolution's changed, we can then come back over to the adjust display area, and once again you need to go and adjust your screen size. Once you've done that, you can press OK, and that should have now fixed the black border issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.